Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxinescorner. Today I am making some protein packed pancakes and they are gluten free. The first thing that you will need is one banana. You're going to take a banana and you will mash it all the way through. 2 large eggs, and I just use the knife and crack my eggs. Okay, now I'm going to mix my eggs. You can use just the egg whites if it's up to you, but to get the full nutrients of the eggs, I just add everything. And this is a 5-ingredient recipe, simple and easy. Now in a separate bowl, my helper Ava will help me. Oat flour, which is half of a cup. Go ahead, Ava. Add it. Go ahead, pour it in. Okay. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. 1 tablespoon of protein powder. Thank you, Ava. This part is optional. Do not come for me. A pinch of salt. It's pretty much up to you. Mix everything together. And now, smooth this over. We will add it to our wet ingredients. Just like so. Alright. So once that's all put together, you're going to mix this in. Just like that. With your oat flour. And you can add a bit of vanilla. And that's optional as well. It's pretty much up to you. So, I'm spraying this with some spray oil. Wait for this. By 1/4. And then I'm just going to scoop this out. Pour it in there. Add one more, guys. Let's try. Oh, it touched. It's alright. Not a big deal. Don't touch. Don't touch. Oh, it's gonna touch. I want to get good. Alright, that's good. That's good. And let's just go ahead and flip the other one. Let's just move this out the way. And then flip. Okay, got a little bit on top of that. And then so forth. And then let me finish making the rest of these and then I'll be right back. Take my pancakes out. These are perfect. You don't really need, they are protein pancakes. Absolutely delicious. Look at them. And they smell delicious. Okay, my healthy people, here we have our protein pancakes. And what I will do, I'm going to add some bananas to these. Pure maple syrup. Look at that. Some maple syrup all over. Just like that. Protein pancakes. Absolutely delicious. And it's perfect for the entire family. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. Here we have our delicious protein pancakes. And they are gluten-free and only 5 ingredients. I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say with me, stay healthy.